My dear learners, including age group 6 years to the age group of grandfathers, age is just a number. This is part 1 of operators in Python. So let's get started. So guys, let us see what are operators. Operators are symbols which are used to perform a specific operation between values. Until now, we have performed operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, etc. etc. using symbols like plus, minus, into, the asterisk, and slash. For floor division, we use double slash, etc. So, guys, these are all operators. These operators we have studied till now. And in this video, we'll be learning about the other operators in Python. Before moving ahead, guys, let us see why do we need operators in any programming language? It's not about Python only. Java, C, C++, all of these programming languages are having operators. But why are they actually needed? If you see any program that we write, operators are the backbone of that program. In each and every statement, we are performing some or the other operation. And for performing any operation, you need operators, guys. Let us see through this an example. Suppose you want to add 2 and 3, right? So suppose I remove all the operators from Python. Now tell me, can you add 2 and 3 without using this plus operator? Just by writing 2 and 3, will they get added? Can you? Or can you create a variable x with some value, suppose say 8, without using equal to? Equal to is also an operator in Python, right? So without using this equal to, can you create a variable? Just writing x and some value, say 8. No, this won't be created. There will be a syntax error. So in every statement, we are using some or the other operator, guys. This is the need of operators. For every operation, you need operators. That is why they are the backbone of any program that you create, right? Now, guys, let us see the types of operators in Python. So we are having basically 7 types of operators. So the first one is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators we are having 7 operators: plus, minus, multiply, divide, floor division, exponential, and the modulus. Right? You know all of them. I have explained them in my previous videos. So I'm not covering this. Okay. They're working, you understand. Right, guys, let us move to the comparison operators. So comparison operators, guys, we used to compare two values, right? So we are having 6 operators here: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, right? Now suppose I am having x equal to 8 and y equal to 10. Okay, now first of all, let us use this double equals, right? Now what happens if I write x equal to y, right? Double equals. Okay. The one equal stands for this assignment, right? So this is the comparison operator. What happens? Okay. Let us check what happens. Right. We are comparing. This is the comparison operator, right? I get false as the value. This comparison operator will check whether x is equal to y. And you know, x is 8 and y is 10. This is false. So it has printed a Boolean value false. Now suppose I write it 10, x equal to 10, and then I check it. So it is giving me true. And let us check the other operators, right? Next operator I have not equal to, right? What does not equal to stand for? We'll check whether x is not equal to y, right? So it is saying true, right? 8 is not equal to 10. So it is saying true. Okay, now the next operator greater than, okay. Greater than, x greater than y, false. 8 is not greater than 10. Okay. Similarly, less than, true. Okay, you understand that. Then we are having greater than equal to and less than equal to. Okay. So greater than or equal to, what does this mean? When I'm writing this operator, this checks whether x is greater than y or x is equal to y. If any of these conditions are matched, it will return me true, right? So let us check. It has returned me false. That's right. 8 is neither greater than 10, nor equal to 10. Right. Similarly, is the less than or equal to. It will check whether x is less than y or x is equal to y. Right. So let me run it. It's saying true because x is less than y. It is not equal to y, but it is less than y. Right. So let us see the logical operators. Now the logical operators are used to combine conditional statements, multiple conditional statements. Conditional statements meaning comparisons, right? We are having three logical operators and, on, or, and not, right? So we'll use these three to combine conditional statements. Now let us see the working. So suppose I'm writing in comparison x is greater than or equal to y. No, x greater than y and x is equal to 8. And what does this and do here? And these logical operators also return Boolean values, true or false, right? This will return me a true value if both these comparisons give a true value, right? And if any one of them returns me false, then it will give me a false value, right? Now let us see. It gives me false because x is not greater than y. This gives me false, but x is equal to it. Doesn't matter. Both the conditions should be true. You can give, okay, you can also write x greater than equal to y in a different way using this AND operator, right? I can add x greater than y and x equal y, right? So let us check it. So it again gives me false. Why? Because x is neither greater than y nor equal to y. Okay, so both the values come here as false. So it gives me a false value. Okay, this you can check it like this also. Suppose you write true and false. Okay, no need to give conditions. You can directly check it, right? True and false. What does it gives me? False, right? Now if I write true and true, it gives me a true value. Okay. Now if I write both as false, it gives me false, right? So you have understood. Let us see the or. If I take this only, x greater than y, and okay, and if I write here or, I'm just replacing it. So what happens now? It is giving me a true value. It checks whether any one of the comparisons is true. If any one of the comparison is true, then it returns a true. Okay, so x is greater than y. No, this is it comes out here as false, but x is equal to it. So here comes a true. So it will give me true. Unless and until both the comparisons are false, it will not give me a false value. Right. Now the not operator, guys. Now, how does this work? If you want to negate, reverse any condition, right? If I write, I'm explaining this separately. If I write not true, what happens? I get false. What actually not does is that it reverses true into false and false into true. Okay, that's it's working, right? If you are getting here true, so then if I write not, okay, this is how I will use this in brackets. Okay, if I write not, then it will give me false, right? It reverses actually the result. And you can also like combine multiple statements, right? How? Suppose I write x greater than 8 and x equal to y, or x less than 10, right? I'm getting true, right? And you can understand it very easily.
पूरा इंडिया पढ़ेगा डेटा साइंस. Ready for my next video? So goodbye and namaskar. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.